How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Snapchat tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend people on Snapchat. So if you want to remove or delete a friend from your Snapchat account, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily do that. All right, so to get started, the first thing you need to do is simply open up the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android phone. Once you get the app open, it doesn't matter which screen you're on. You could be on the map, either in your chat or even on the camera. But what we want to do is select your profile picture in the top left of the app. This will bring you to your profile on Snapchat. From here, simply scroll down where you see friends, and right below friends, you should see add friends and then my friends. Select my friends. Once in here, find the friend that you want to unfriend and long press their name. This will open a new menu, and all we want to do is select manage friendship. And then as you can see, we can remove them as a friend. If we need to report them or block them, we can also do that here. But all we need to do is select remove friend, confirm we want to remove them as a friend, and then there you go. We have unfriended that person on Snapchat. All right, so that's how you unfriend someone on Snapchat. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Snapchat tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.